Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be comparing these three purple fashion hair colors. If you would like to see the results of these findings, then please keep watching. Okay, I'm right here. I'm just showing you the bottle of the Manic Panic Purple Haze, which is the color we're starting off with. Apparently, they have a sale on their website at this moment. Right here, they're giving you swatches of what you can expect if you had applied in different levels of hair. The color is described as a warm, dark purple hair dye. So right here, I'm just taking off the cap. As you can see here, it actually comes with a safety lid, protective lid, so you won't have to worry about anyone having had used this color before you had gotten to it. So yeah, I'm right here. I'm just taking it off and giving you a preview of what the color looks like. So I just dip the brush in and we can see what color we're going to expect here. And indeed, it is a warm purple, and I'm going to put that in the back of the head. And well, we'll just look at the application right quick. But just one thing I'd like to point out is that I don't have to use any special bowl. I can just use it straight out of the jar. So that's one less thing you have to worry about as far as like having to bring out another jar and messing up any more things, or having anything to have to wash at the end of all of this. So that's one good thing about this particular jar for Manic Panic. So as you can see here, I'm applying it from root to ends. Even though I have a smudge root, I'm just making sure that every strand is colored as best as I could. And again, yes, I am applying this to dry hair because instructions directly tell you to apply to dry hair. So we're just going to look at my application here, and I'll be back with more commentary. Okay, so our next color is Arctic Fox in the color Purple Rain. Right here is a swatch of what the color looks like, and these are the results you can expect on different levels of hair. This color is described as a deep, true purple. Okay, so up next I'm going in and we're going to see we have a protective seal on here, so you don't have to worry about your color being tampered with. That's one concern you won't have to worry about. That's a preview of the color in the bottle, and right here I'm just going to show you the consistency of the color as it's coming out. So it's a little bit I wouldn't say liquidy, but certainly isn't pasty. So right here I'm just going in and I'm going to hit up the roots and go from roots to ends and apply that as thoroughly as I possibly can, and we're just going to take a look and see how this goes. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so up next we have our Eero Hero in 20 purple. Here is the only preview I could find of the color itself. It doesn't have any different levels. It doesn't describe what the color is. So if you're just looking for a purple and you're not too particular, then this might work out for you. Right here I'm just showing you the consistency of the color. You definitely have to use a bowling brush with this particular color, because it comes in like a squeezy tube, and this is what the color, a preview of what the color looks like in the bowl. Right now I'm just using my aluminum foil so it won't mix colors, because I'm going to lay that hair on top of that side right there. So I'm just going to go in the same thing I've done with all the rest of the colors. I'm going to apply it from root to ends, and I'll be back with further commentary. Okay, here's a video of what the hair color looks like once it's been applied, and I'm going to process the hair color and I'll be back with the results. Here is the next day. I've rolled the hair because I didn't want to damage it anymore, and we're going to see the results in a few. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so here's the finished results, giving you a 360 of what the head looks like. Lovely colors, each one. I do have a personal favorite. You can let me know what yours is in the comments down below. Right here is the Eero Hero 20 in purple. As you can see, it has a very deep blue base to it. Right here is the Manic Panic in purple Haze. It's a more subdued or natural purple, but it does have a warm base. Okay, so up next is our Arctic Fox, and it's a bit more of a pinky purple in my opinion. Right, up next I'm going to show you some sunshine or sunlight images here. Right here would be, I would say, Arctic Fox in Purple Rain. There's a very warm pinkish purple. Right here it has the Eero in purple, 20 purple. As you can see, it's a bit more of a blue cool purple. Right here is the Manic Panic. I want to say it's more of a natural pinky purple. Yeah, I would say it's more of a for someone who doesn't want it too vibrant. That's my opinion on that particular shade. It's very natural. Okay, so my personal favorite would be the Eero Hero in 20 Purple, followed by Arctic Fox in Purple Rain, and lastly by Manic Panic in Purple Haze. Tell me which was your favorite in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.